Best foods to eat in the morning. Breakfast is a great way to start your day. While some people prefer to skip breakfast, others need a source of energy to get going. Choosing nutritious food may provide long-lasting energy and keep you full for hours. These foods are typically high in fiber, protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients. Here are 12 of the best foods and drinks to enjoy in the morning. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are high in protein and several important nutrients. They may promote fullness and help lower your calorie intake later in the day. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only high in protein and low in calories, but certain types are also high in probiotics which support gut health. Number 3. Coffee. The caffeine in coffee promotes alertness and enhances physical and mental performance. Drinking coffee regularly is associated with a lower risk of illness. Number 4. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is rich in beta-glucan, a type of fiber that may lower cholesterol levels and increases feelings of fullness. It also contains many vitamins and minerals. Number 5. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which may help promote fullness and reduce hunger levels. Number 6. Berries. Berries are high in fiber and low in calories. They are also rich in antioxidants that may decrease the risk of disease. Number 7. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is high in protein, which may help keep you full and reduce hunger. Common breakfast toppings include fresh fruits, veggies, seeds, and granola. Number 8. Whole wheat toast. Whole wheat toast is a good source of fiber, plus you can top it with a wide variety of nutritious spreads. Number 9. Nuts are a filling, nutrient-dense food that may help reduce health disease risk and promote brain health. Number 10. Green tea. Green tea contains caffeine as well as antioxidant called EGCG, which is tied to a reduced risk of chronic disease and better brain health. Number 11. Protein shake. It's easy to whip up a protein shake or smoothie in a few minutes and take it on the go. Plus, the simple breakfast make a great post-workout option. Number 12. Fruit. Eating a variety of fruits provide you with different vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. What's more fruits contain high amount of fiber that may promote fullness and keep your blood sugar levels stable. Try to start your day with a nutritious meal. Breakfast options abound. The best choices are high in fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Many nutritious, healthy foods and drinks are also easy to prepare in the morning. These include fruits, whole grain, toast, eggs, green tea, coffee, and protein shakes. Plan your breakfast ahead of time based on your schedule and preferences. Make sure each breakfast contains at least one food that's high in protein, another that's high in fiber, and at least one fruit or veggie.